Now, this illustration deals with metal structures in accordance with NEC 250.194B. Now, before we get into discussion here concerning this illustration, let's review the notes. Note 1 deals with the grounding grid under the substation, and it's used as a grounding electrode system, so to speak, for equal potential. Note 2 installation meets clearances per National Electrical Safety Code. Note 3, for safety, it is required that exposed metal structures and guy wires, very important here, within 16 foot horizontally or 8 foot vertically shall be bonded to the grounding electrode system in the area in accordance with IEEE 80. Then the signage, as you see, has to basically have danger, high voltage, or danger, high voltage, authorized personnel only, in accordance with OSHA and the ANSI standard Z535.4. Now, the substations are also discussed grounding-wise in the National Electrical Safety Code, Rule 96B. Also, for outside usage, 225.70. The fence itself is 250.194A that we reviewed. Now, the review sections is recommended for guy wires and how they would be grounded or isolated is National Electrical Safety Code Rule 92C as in car. Overhead lines, National Electrical Safety Code Rule 231. Metal poles, National Electrical Code Rule 261. Now, review the metal pole with the cross arms to the right of the substation. It says it's a metal pole with guy wires in accordance with 250.194B. If any of that equipment pertaining to that metal pole falls within 16 foot of that fence as outlined in the note 3, it has to be bonded in to the grid system so that the fence, the grid system, and all the equipment in the substation between these areas are considered as equal potential as possibly could be designed and installed. So figure 16-141 deals with metal structures in accordance with NEC 250.194B as in boy.